You abandoned me. Love don't live here anymore. Just a vacancy. Love don't live here anymore. For all the time that I've been here for you, all the time that I've been here for you, and all the shit that you done put me through, all the shit that you done put me through. Say you wanna leave, say you wanna go. How come you don't want my loving anymore? Heart on your sleeve, left me so torn. Can't forget the day you walked right out the door. I'm just a train wreck. I'm just a train wreck. I'm just a train wreck. A train wreck. A train wreck.
Any girls will take some.
I just don't understand. Wasn't I pretty enough? I don't get it, boy. I gave you all of my love. Look at me, I'm fine as can be. Businesswoman with the money and a lady in the street. And I was there for you. I would do anything you asked me to.
What's good? What's going on?
His name is Mike.
According to Richie, my name is Mike. But I'm Anthony Dalton. This is the beautiful Lala makeup extraordinaire.
And what you're not gonna do is you're not gonna give him credit. You're not giving him his credit. You know what he's doing.
She actually spit a piece of croissant on my eye, just speaking right there, but it's all good. Like I said, I'm Anthony Dalton. I'm here on the beautiful Miss Richie's video shoot for Trainwreck. I am playing her leading man, Mike. It's you know, gonna be a good look. I'm just anxious and blessed to be here.
Clean house after work, you had a hot slate. I raise your stocks up, bank account and stay straight. And I put it down, yeah, you know I put it down. Was a beast in the sheets, yeah, you know I put it down. Our house was once a...
Just got finished shooting the second verse of me being in this beautiful house and becoming this train wreck for my new buzz record that's about to hit the streets. Look out for me, Richie Music at Twitter.com. You want my contact? Yeah, just how's your contact? You see this sweat?